Hello, 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 my dear friends.
Hi everyone, welcome back.
We are so happy to see you again.
Very happy.
Super happy.
Happy like a puppy with a new toy.
That's a very happy puppy.
Yes, tail wagging everywhere.
Today we have another useful English lesson.
Very useful.
Very practical.
Something you can use today.
Maybe in 1 hour.
Maybe in 10 minutes.
That's right.
So, Wilbert, what is today's topic?
Today's topic is
Drum roll, please.
small talk magic.
Ooh,
How to start a conversation with anyone in English.
anyone?
Anyone.
Even a stranger?
Yes.
Even a neighbor?
Yes.
Even a person sitting next to me on a bus?
Yes.
Wow.
Today, we will learn simple ways to start conversations.
No stress.
No pressure.
Just easy English.
Exactly.
Before we begin, please do one small thing.
One very small thing.
Please click the like button.
And subscribe to our channel.
It helps us make more English lessons.
And it helps more learners find our videos.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Let's begin. Wilbert, I hear the words small talk all the time.
Yes.
But what exactly is small talk?
Good question.
Please explain.
Small talk is a short, friendly conversation.
A short, friendly conversation.
Yes.
Not a deep conversation.
No.
Not talking about the meaning of life.
No.
Not talking about the secrets of the universe.
Definitely not.
Okay.
Small talk is simple.
Like what?
The weather.
Okay.
Your day.
Simple.
A hobby.
Easy.
A movie.
Fun.
A meal.
Now I'm hungry.
Already?
Always.
Small talk helps people feel comfortable.
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 Let's repeat together.
Comfortable.
Comfortable.
Very good.
Why should we learn small talk?
Because small talk opens doors.
Opens doors.
Yes.
Real doors?
Not usually.
Oh.
Conversation doors.
Ah.
Friendship doors.
Nice.
Work opportunities.
Useful.
Travel experiences.
Very useful.
Many great conversations begin with simple small talk.
Like saying hello?
Exactly.
So a simple hello can become a friendship?
Yes.
Wow.
Sometimes one small conversation changes your day.
I like that.
Let's learn our first magic phrase.
I'm ready.
Hi, how's your day going?
Oh, that's easy.
Very easy.
Let's repeat.
Hi, how's your day going?
Hi, how's your day going?
Again?
Hi, how's your day going?
Perfect.
Where can I use it?
At work.
Okay,
At school.
good,
In a store.
nice.
Almost anywhere.
Let's try.
Hi, Donna. How's your day going?
Pretty good, thank you.
That's a natural answer.
Can I say great?
Yes.
Can I say busy?
Absolutely.
Can I say I'm tired?
Of course.
Good, that's usually my answer on Monday mornings.
Many people agree with you.
What is our next magic phrase?
Where are you from?
Classic.
Very classic.
And very useful.
People often enjoy talking about where they come from.
Let's practice.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Again?
Where are you from?
Excellent.
Then what?
Listen carefully.
Okay.
If they say, I'm from Brazil.
Then I can ask another question.
Exactly.
Like what?
What's Brazil like?
Oh, nice.
Or,
Or,
have you always lived there?
interesting.
Small talk is like playing catch with a ball.
A ball?
Yes.
You throw,
They catch.
then they throw back.
Exactly.
Conversation catch.
That's right.
Another phrase, please.
What do you do?
Meaning work.
Usually, yes.
Simple.
Let's repeat.
What do you do?
What do you do?
What do you do?
Perfect.
And if somebody asks me,
You can answer simply.
for example,
I'm a teacher.
easy,
I'm a nurse.
easy,
I work in an office.
easy.
I work from home.
I like that one. What if I don't want to talk about work?
Good point.
Sometimes work is boring.
Then talk about hobbies.
Fun.
Ask, what do you like to do for fun?
I like that question.
Repeat after me.
What do you like to do for fun?
Again?
What do you like to do for fun?
Excellent.
Then people can talk about things they enjoy.
Exactly.
Movies,
Books.
sports,
Travel.
cooking,
Video games.
naps.
Naps.
I enjoy naps.
Honest answer.
Very honest. Wilbert, many learners feel shy.
Yes.
Very shy.
I understand.
Sometimes people want to speak English,
Yes.
but they feel nervous.
That is normal.
Really?
Very normal.
Even for native speakers?
Sometimes, yes.
Wow.
Many people feel nervous talking to strangers.
That makes me feel better.
Here is a simple trick.
Tell me,
Start with one sentence.
only one?
Only one.
That's easy.
Say hello.
Hello.
Ask one simple question.
How's your day going?
Perfect.
That's all?
That's enough to start.
Wow.
Let's practice a real conversation.
Great idea.
Imagine we meet at a coffee shop.
Okay.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How is your day going?
Pretty good. How about yours?
Good, thank you.
Nice.
By the way, I'm Wilbert.
Nice to meet you. I'm Donna.
Nice to meet you too.
See?
See what?
A conversation started.
Exactly. Now let's practice together.
Listen and repeat.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
What do you do?
What do you do?
What do you like to do for fun?
What do you like to do for fun?
Excellent work.
Very good. Can I share a funny mistake?
Of course.
So, one time I wanted to say, nice to meet you,
Okay.
but I accidentally said, nice to eat you.
That changes the meaning completely.
Very completely.
Did the person run away?
Almost. So, be careful.
Meet you.
Not eat you.
Let's repeat.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Very important difference.
Very important.
Before we finish, what is your best advice?
Don't wait for perfect English.
Good advice.
Speak with the English you have today.
I like that.
Small conversations build confidence.
One conversation at a time.
One sentence at a time.
One word at a time.
Slow progress?
Is still progress.
Exactly.
Our time is almost finished.
That was fast.
Very fast.
Thank you for learning with us today.
You are doing an amazing job.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
Keep smiling.
And keep believing in yourself.
Before you go,
Tell us in the comments.
what is your favorite way to start a conversation?
Do you say hello?
Do you talk about the weather?
Do you ask about hobbies?
We would love to know.
And if you meet Wilbert at a coffee shop,
Please don't say nice to eat you.
bye-bye, everyone.
Take care.
Keep learning English.
And remember,
Small talk can start big friendships.
see you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye, my friends.